Can you monitor your employees' internet usage? Hi, my name is Angel from wolfeye.de, and that's what I would like to talk about in this short video. So you're a business owner, an employer, and you would like to know if and how you can monitor the internet usage of your employees. Um, and I want to give you my experience and my tips, my recommendations, what you should do. So right away, the answer, you want to monitor the internet usage of your employees, then the best thing to do is that you are able to see the computer live screen of your employees without them noticing that you have this possibility to just take a look at what they are doing right now. That's the best way. And for that, you have the possibility to install software that you have. One uh, employee monitoring software for that purpose is Wolfeye Remote Screen that I will demonstrate to you in a minute. So Wolfeye Remote Screen, it's a piece of software. You can download it from our website for free to use it within a trial period before you decide to use it long term. And basically, you download it, and it's a small piece of software, and you run it. What it will do is you install it in 2 clicks, in 2 steps. Basically, you first hit the green button that shares the screen, and then you hit the blue button that puts it into stealth mode and hides it basically from the user. It will run whenever the system is restarted, and will monitor everything that's done. Basically, how it works, it's like this. You hit the green button, and the moment you hit the green button, the software creates a link, a URL, and basically it's already sharing the screen. You can see the live screen opening that link, so you will be able to see that live screen opening the link on any browser, for example on the browser of your smartphone or of any other computer. And so to demonstrate it, the software has here this white button. It says open URL. Of course, you will never need this button. I just open it here and basically you see how it does it. It has opened the browser and opened this URL here, yeah. And basically, it's making a screenshot. Wait, yeah, every 2 seconds, basically, it's making a screenshot. That's how it works. And because this link is very crypted, you have this gray button that says email URL. You hit it, enter your email, and can send this crypted link to your email. Just hitting on the email link in on your smartphone, you can basically open this live screen, basically. And finally, I said that you have this blue button that says Hide plus Win Startup. You hit it, and that puts the software into stealth mode. It continues to run in the background, but hiddenly, basically. So that's it. And so that's the best way, because if you need to know what are they spending their times on, what are they using the internet for, if you do not want to completely prohibit the internet, let's say, this is a technical possibility that you as an employee have to monitor the computer usage, the internet uses of your employee's computer. You will see the live computer screen. Also, it allows you to make screenshots and save them, so that you can check at a later date what has been done on the computer. So two marks. First, if you are, please check beforehand if you are allowed to use this kind of software in your situation and in your country, because if it's allowed, it depends on the country and on the circumstances, the situation that you have. So please take legal advice. We do not give legal advice here. Please check that before you consider installing this kind of software. And second, this is a monitoring software. This is a software that you can use to basically to spy, and that's why antivirus program will detect it basically. But and for that reason, you have to, before you download and install the software, you have to put the folder that you plan to use, or to put the software in, to put it in your antivirus exception list, so that your antivirus continues to run but excludes this specific folder from the scan. And this basically that's not very difficult to do, but we have done a tutorial. We wrote a tutorial here. Go to tutorial, and also we made a 9 minutes video. You see the video will basically know how it works. If you have another, because we did it here in this small tutorial with the Windows Defender antivirus software, if you have another antivirus software, write us an email. We can guide you, help you to make this kind of settings. And also, if you need any help or assistance installing this kind of software, we are very happy to hear from you. We have here contact information, either WhatsApp or email. Contact us. We will be very happy to help. So I hope this helps. Have a nice